Unstoppable Wallet full features, strengths, weaknesses. Unstoppable Wallet is a non-custodial, open-source crypto wallet primarily focused on decentralized finance, DeFi, and Web3 integration, built by Unstoppable Domains. Key features include the ability to manage a wide range of Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM) compatible chains like Ethereum, Polygon, BNB Chain, and others, all within a single interface. It supports NFTs, allowing you to store and visualize your digital collectibles. A major advantage is its tight integration with Unstoppable Domains, enabling simplified sending and receiving of cryptocurrencies using human-readable domain names instead of complex wallet addresses. The wallet supports direct interaction with decentralized applications, dApps, through Wallet Connect, letting you participate in DeFi protocols, trade on DEXs, and engage in other Web3 activities. It also boasts strong security features, giving users complete control over their private keys, mitigating counterparty risk. Unstoppable Wallet is ideally suited for experienced crypto users already familiar with DeFi and Web3, particularly those who own or plan to own Unstoppable Domains. It simplifies Web3 navigation significantly for that specific user base. Strengths include the elimination of centralized control, a wide range of supported EVM chains, the user-friendly domain name integration, and robust dApp connectivity. The non-custodial nature ensures users retain full ownership of their assets. However, weaknesses exist. The interface can be overwhelming for beginners unfamiliar with crypto concepts and DeFi. While non-custodial wallets offer enhanced security, they place the responsibility of private key management solely on the user. Loss of keys means permanent loss of funds. Furthermore, the wallet's core strength, the Unstoppable Domains integration, is less valuable if you don't own one, somewhat limiting its appeal to a broader audience. A potential con is the reliance on Wallet Connect for dApp interaction, which, while widely adopted, isn't universally supported across all dApps and can occasionally experience connectivity issues. Ultimately, Unstoppable Wallet is a powerful tool for advanced crypto users deeply involved in the Web3 ecosystem, especially those leveraging Unstoppable Domains. It provides a seamless and secure gateway to DeFi, but its complexity makes it less suitable for beginners. If you are comfortable managing your private keys and actively participate in DeFi on various EVM chains, this wallet is a strong contender. Just be aware of the learning curve and the responsibility that comes with self-custody.